This is the perfect recipe. Hello there. Today we are going to make pineapple chutney, Anarosher Chatni. Now Bengalis love to start their meal with a bitter followed by shag, which is spinach, or shutto, which is bitter, and then the meats and the fish, and then finally you have a sweet and sour chutney, which is chutney. The word means licking your plate clean, chutney. So that's what we're going to make, pineapple chutney. Usually in the summer you have mangoes in season and you'd make raw mango chutney, or if it's winter you can make it with tomato chutney. Today I'm making pineapple chutney. I find this quite easy to do here because I buy the pineapples which are in a can in juice, not in sugar syrup, in juice, and they are in cubes. So I'm going to be using 1 can. It's about 435 grams of pineapple chopped up, about a couple of tablespoons of sultanas. I've got the brown ones here, but back home we'd use the golden sultanas. And the spices to put in, you'd put in 1 spice spoon of Panch Phoron, Bengali 5 spice. I put in a cinnamon stick. This is optional. Traditionally it's not required, but I like the taste of cinnamon, so I break up half an inch of cinnamon stick, put that in. A couple of red dried chilies, a teaspoon of red chili powder. Again, if you can't take the heat too much, you don't need to put a teaspoon, half a teaspoon should be good enough. I also like to put in a little bit of ginger grated, so about like quarter inch of ginger just grated. Again, it adds a little kick to it. And I also put in tamarind water. It brings in the sour. And then approximately 2 or 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can make it with jaggery if you have jaggery. I'm going to be using white sugar. So that is those are the ingredients. Let's see how it's done now. Just need a little bit of vegetable oil, about a tablespoon. So I have my pan on high heat. I'm just going to drop in a tablespoon or so of vegetable cooking oil. Let that heat up. Now that's heated up, we're going to put in the dry ingredients first. So the small 2 dried red chilies, the Panch Phoron, the Bengali 5 spice. I'll put that in the description. See how it's crackling. Put the cinnamon stick in. I'm going to reduce the heat so it doesn't burn the spices. I'm going to drop in the ginger. Then I'm just going to put in pineapple. We're going to let this cook. I'm going to put in another 200 ml of hot water because our chutneys are fairly runny. So I'm going to just put that in, and I'm going to put in the sultanas so they can cook and get all the flavors. Give that a stir. I'm going to put in the sugar. I'm putting in a 1/4 cup of sugar. Next, I'm going to put in the red chili powder. Put in the tamarind water. If you don't have tamarind, you can put in some lemon juice or lime juice. And that's it. We are now going to let this cook. So I'm going to put a lid on it and I'm going to check it in about 10 minutes to see how it is. So it's been 10 minutes. Let's have a look. You've got to go away and try it. Make sure you cook the pineapple till it's soft. For me, 10 minutes was sufficient. As ever, thank you so much for watching, and thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for supporting me and being there for me. Excellent. I hope you're enjoying all the recipes that I'm putting out for you. Till next time, bye.